up guys, it's Vo. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. If you've been here, you already subscribed. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate your support. So today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this style. As you can see, they are mini twists. And I really love mini twists because it's like a way around actually committing to dreads, because I love dreads and I've considered getting them on many occasions, but I just can't commit to one style, you know, like I miss the versatility of my hair. So when I need a break or, you know, I want to do a protective style, I really have been enjoying this. I've done it a couple times this year already, and I feel like I'm gonna be doing it more often. But if you want to see how I did it, stay tuned and I will show you guys. Okay guys, I'm finally done. It took me roughly 3 hours. It's like extremely shrunken, but I have a trick that stretches them. So I have a trick that stretches them, but I have to wait till they dry all the way. As far as the back, I didn't even look. It was kind of like just a grab and go type situation. I did not attempt to make neat parts back there. But however it looks, that's how it was meant to look. And this style probably gonna last me as long as I wanted to, because I'll just retwist as I see fit. And usually like when I get bored and like decide I want to play in my hair, I'll go to the twist I feel like can be divided into two and like make them smaller, and so the look just basically just gets better as the longer I have it. So yeah, we're gonna let this dry, and I will come back to you guys tomorrow and show you guys how I stretch them. Okay guys, so I'm about to go to the gym real quick, but I just wanted to show y'all what I do to stretch my mini twists. So I have them in just these two little Cantu knot thingies, and I made sure to leave my ends out because I don't want my curls at the ends to be disturbed. So yeah, so just leave that for as long as you feel like, and when you take it down, I guess I'll show y'all what it looks like when I take it down, but yeah, it'll be more elongated and it'll even have like a little wave. So just how we going to the gym. I've taken down my Cantu knots, you know, the little two I had on top of my head. This is the wavy effect that I was telling you about, and yeah, it's gonna fall like throughout the day, but overall my hair is still stretched, because if you remember at the end of the last video, my twists were like up here like to my neck, and now they have like a little bit more hang time, you know. Anyway, so yeah, I like it much better like this stretched, and you can kind of see, you know, the difference in the length from the back. This is a couple days later, I'm not gonna lie. I have already made them a lot smaller. Remember I told you guys in the video that like throughout the week, or you know, within a few days, I'll divide the bigger twists into two and just create a more fuller look, as you can see. They are stretched. I had 2 Bantu knots in my head. This time I put one at the top and one at the back. But this is essentially how I will be wearing my hair for probably the rest of the month. If I feel like I want to wear them a little longer, you know, I'll wash them and then retwist the ones that look a little, I don't know, like frizzy or crusty, whatever you want to call it. As you can see, I've accessorized a little. So here I have some gold string in my hair. I just put like a couple of them. I might add some more. We'll see how I feel. I have, you know, some little clips that I use to hold my hair into place. So yeah, but thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really supports my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.